This 2023 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf Suite 3770 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Middlebury, Indiana, 46540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, slideout, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Royal RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.